Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? Are you doing well? That's a relief. I feel great too. Thank you for asking. Well, welcome back to our class today, guys. My name is Marishka, your English speaking tutor, and as usual, today we are going to learn exciting materials about English as usual. Well, but before that, I want to check our class attendance. So please, to anyone that I call the name, please just raise your hand. Okay. Rizky Fadila, are you there? Present. Okay. Faradila Renzani, are you there? All right. Tri Ayu Lestari, are you there? Present. And the last is Aldiradika. Are you there? All right. Thank you, guys. So I'm so happy since all of us are here. Well, that means that no one will left behind because this is such a cool material today. Well, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Vegetables? No. Oh my God, you guys are high schoolers. There's no way that we can learn about that. We passed that. All right. Anyone else? Fruits? No, it's not about fruits. The thing is, we are going to learn about interpreting. Are you guys excited? So, have you guys heard about interpreting before? Hmm. What about you, Ayu? No, it's kind of different from translating actually, but thank you for answering. Well, let's just start to the materials, shall we? Like here, this is the definition of interpreting and translating. So let me read this aloud to you. Interpreting is the process of verbally translating spoken or signed language from source language to target language. Meanwhile, translating is the act of converting written text from source language to target language while preserving its meaning, context, and tone as accurately as possible. So, yeah, basically, they are translating from one language to another. But for interpreting, it's verbal, and you don't necessarily have to translating it like the exact same way from the first speaker. You just have to deliver the accurate message. Meanwhile, for translating, it's the opposite. You really have to say the right meanings from word to word. That's the difference. Now let's dig in more deeply about the kinds of interpreting. Here we have two kinds. The first one is simultaneous interpreting, and the second one is consecutive interpreting. What's the difference between those two? For simultaneous interpreting, it's translating spoken language in real time. Meanwhile, for consecutive, it is translating after the speaker pauses or finish speaking. Mostly for simultaneous interpreting, it takes place in conferences, international summits, and large meetings where participants speak different languages. Meanwhile, for consecutive interpreting, it usually takes place in interviews, concerts, speeches, or business events. Consecutive interpreting. The facts are first, translating the speaker's message segment by segment after they finish speaking or during pauses. So it's like the opposite. When the simultaneous interpreting talk after, no, almost in the same time as the speaker. Meanwhile, consecutive interpreting, we really have to wait until the speaker has done speaking. Do you guys want to be an interpreter? I want to be an interpreter. I want to interpret in my favorite K-pop concert. I mean, well, that's for our materials today, guys. So, do you have any questions? No? Rizky, do you have any question? Paradila? Ayu? Aldi? No? There's no question? All right. If you guys have no questions, then that's all for today's class. I hope you guys stay healthy and be happy always. Okay? Don't forget to take rest. We'll meet again next week. To close our class today, let's recite Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you guys next week. Bye.